Welcome to Next Turn Diaries. Today, we are exploring one of the most extreme and breathtaking landmarks of India, Chicham Bridge. Located in the heart of Spiti Valley, Himachal Pradesh, Chicham Bridge connects the small Himalayan villages of Chicham and Kibba. This bridge is built at an altitude of around 13,600 feet above sea level, making it the highest suspension bridge in Asia. Below this bridge flows Sambara River, cutting a deep and dramatic gorge through the barren mountains of Spiti Valley. At this point, you are literally suspended between the sky and the valley, with nothing but air beneath your feet. Before the construction of this bridge, life for the locals was extremely challenging. The villagers of Chicham had no direct road access to Kibba. People had to walk long and risky routes, especially during winter when heavy snow would block all paths. Medical emergencies, school travel, and daily supplies were major struggles. Chicham Bridge was finally opened in 2017, and it completely transformed connectivity in this region. The bridge is about 113 meters long, built using steel cables and strong suspension support to withstand extreme weather conditions. What makes this place truly special is the surrounding landscape. Spiti Valley is known for its cold desert terrain, sharp rocky mountains, and absolute silence. During summer, the valley looks vast and rugged, while in winter, everything is covered in snow, making the bridge look even more dramatic and unreal. Walking or driving across Chicham Bridge can be an intense experience. The height, the narrow structure, and the deep gorge below can easily make your heart race, especially if you are afraid of heights. But at the same time, the view is unforgettable. Today, Chicham Bridge is not just an engineering achievement. It is a lifeline for local communities and a major attraction for travelers, bikers, and adventure lovers visiting Spiti Valley. This bridge stands as a symbol of human determination in one of the harshest and most remote landscapes of India. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to subscribe to Next Turn Diaries. Like, share, and comment. And we'll meet again at the next turn of the road.